Welcome to Zwida Media. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Here's a new video for today. Enjoy.
Online radio station, Elojo Dr. K. But before ngikwenze lokho, ngiyafisa ukukhuluma something lesikhathi ngi-invite engazange ngisho ukuthi ngizokhuluma ngayo. I normally come to this place kungekhona ukuthi it's anything business related. Ngiyayithanda le ndawo, i-vibe yayo. Kahle nje angazi noma kuzobaphatha kabi yini. Le ndawo ungayikukula inje ngoba inje. Uyibeke kunoma yipi upmarket suburb. Iyofitha ithi khaxa. Yes. Right. This is what I like about it. Personally, I have my own favorite sports. If I have abantu engizohlangana nabo or I want to chill, nginekhona lami nje engaziyo ukuthi mangabe ngihlele kulona I feel comfortable. The service is good, and to know ukuthi indawo onomuntu omnyama la kubantu baseVerulam, I think yona into ezonyisa umnotho. So I think uKhehlelezi uyadinga ukushayela ihlombe for lo msebenzi omhlanga awenzela. Ngelinye ilanga nje ngiyafisa nami ukuthi sex indaba or indaba yesintu ngizoyididulela khona la. Yeah. No, there are three things bakwethu engizozisho. La eSouth Africa ngiyajabula ukubona ukuthi sekukhona ama online radio stations asenzeka njengale ka Dr. K. Empeleni ma into ungakayiboni yenzeka uyacabanga ukuthi lokho okutholayo kwanele. Uzokwenza nje imali. Mawusibekela itarget ukuthi in your business mhlambe this is imali engaka ofuna ukuyenza. Kulula ukuthi usheshe ube satisfied ngayo ukuthi I have arrived, not knowing ukuthi actually it's the beginning. So lento ye-radio isebenza kanje. Because we are used to ukuthi khona i-radio station ezosinikeza umaskandi, sinike i-gospel, bekhona i-radio station esinikeza music, abasakazi bakhuluma isiNgisi nesiZulu, khona i-radio ekhuluma isiZulu kuphela. We think ukuthi sekuphelele. There are so many opportunities ama-radio stations asangavula. And le online radio ikwenze kwabalula lokho. Do you know what, like in South Africa, not in KZN kuphela. Like in South Africa, we do not have a radio station that focuses on abantu besifazane. Traditionally, with radio, you would have programs that athinta abantu besifazane on 9 kuya 12 kukhulunywa mhlambe about ukuthi how do you remove ama-stains empahleni ezimhlophe, how to look after your man, kube imjolo and all of that. There's still an opportunity. Kusangaba khona a radio station edila nje with abantu besifazane, kube yibona bekhuluma bodwa, or kuzoba ukuthi they have abasakazi besilisa abakhuluma ngeperspective yabantu besifazane. La in South Africa, we do not have a radio station edila with disabilities. In most cases, bangabe sekukhulunywa about disability is when kuyi 16 days of activism, or ukuthi abantu mhlambe abakuma hospice siyabakhohlwa. There is an opportunity ukuthi we can have a radio station ezodila nje with ama issues of disability. La in South Africa, we do not have a radio station that will deal with homosexual people. Uthola ukuthi it's a radio station because where it becomes interesting is that we think there are gay people, there are lesbian people, and if we say Pride Month, there are people they are bisexual. There are people obabona be normal as in ukuthi umuntu wesifazane ufake makeup ne-weave ne-skirt, there is indoda enentshebe nehwanqa ifake ibhulukwe, but abakwi closet. Picture this, if we were to have a radio station deal with them, the things eba offendayo, how they relate to society, and how they get to empower each other. We do not have a radio station that deals with that. Thirdly, we do not have a radio station that deals with the needs of the elderly. You know this. At home, unogogo, unomamkhulu, but mawuke wavula i-radio, kuthiwa mhlawumbe naye emotini yakho onlalele, liyaphela i-hour kungekho lutho olubathintayo bona. It's all about ukuthi uCasper uchallenge abani, kube umjolo, kube uhlolelwa, kube ezomdavazo njalo njalo. Asinakho lokho. And abantu abaningi bane-fear ukuthi because those people mhlambe sekukuma dying stages, but that is where the loyalty is. That is where the loyalty is. Ogogo bethu banama problems amaningi abanawo abangazi ukuthi baningi abanye nabo who go through the same problems. Imagine if we were to have an online radio station, sithole ama-data njengoba sesizoba ne-Wi-Fi. Uthole ukuthi ugogo uyalalela ukuthi hawu akumina ngedwa kanti ukuthi uma ngabe kuyilanga lempesheni uthole ukuthi kufika indodakazi yami engahlali la but izofika ihambe le-200. Ogogo bathi uma behola imali yabo eyakhe but already sesimtshelile sesikoleni kufunekani gogo isingo asikho. Leyo nto iyabahlula and iyabahlukumeza because bacabanga ukuthi basenkingeni kanti baningi abanye abanabalawo ama-problems. In South Africa, we do not have a radio station that deal with abantu besilisa nje. Do you know ukuthi kuzima kanjani ukuba umuntu wesilisa omnyama mhlambe umZulu as well? Nizobona later mase ngisho ukuthi lento relate kanjani to what Khehlelezi did. Amadoda, they suffer a lot. As a man, you're supposed to hustle. Uthole imisebenzi more than 8 to 5. But again, mangabe usufikile ekhaya ku expecteka futhi ukuthi even nakumdavazo uzoba at your prime. I know. He quoted you like 2 minutes usuka seqedile. Not knowing what this man is going through, the same anxiety, the same stress, emsebenzini ama-targets akawamithi. We do not have a radio station edila nje with amadoda ekhuluma ewodwa. Sometimes as a man, you commit ukwenza izinto uthole ukuthi ekhaya kuthiwa kuzobe kunomsebenzi, kuzobe kufuneka ukuthi nokuthi. They expect ukuthi uzokhipha imali, uzothenga imbuzi, uzothenga inkomo, not knowing ukuthi unezikweletu. Perhaps usu-blacklistiwe uku-credit bureau, but awukwazi ukuyikhuluma leyo nto because uma uke wayisho kuzobukeka sengazi ukuthi awu ma indoda ihluleka ukondla ifamily kusho ukuthi akuyona indoda enough. Men get cheated on but they don't speak. Like there is this Facebook page, ladies house. Yes, ladies house. Someone told me ukuthi uma uthi ucela ukurequest uba iphathi yayo ma umuntu wesilisa they don't allow it. Women have a platform to talk about ukuthi indoda yami iyangijithela ngizodila kanjani nayo. Women have a platform to talk about ukuthi bengasakuniki allowance wenze njani. Women have a platform to talk on Facebook ukuthi baby daddy akayikhokhi be-internet. That's an opportunity ekhona. Who said ukuthi we cannot have a radio station edila with abantu besilisa? Another one. Mental health is becoming a big problem to us because in our society, if umuntu ke waba ne-stress noma ne-depression, uma nje kuke kwathiwa hayi sezithi mzala uselahlekile seziyahlanya, leyo nto yenza ukuthi even people who need help bangaphumeli obala. Ube nemoto yarepossesswa, uzame ukuba nendlu wakhishwa, uxoshiwe emsebenzini, you discovered ukuthi le ngane okade uyondla all this time akuyona ingane yakho. Zonke lezo zinto they put a stress kuwe. So when we see these radio stations being launched, it's not just about which is for information and entertainment. It's ukuthi there is already a community ending at that platform ukuthi ikhuluma. You think there's an example. I do a show yesintu where we talk about ilobolo, we talk about ukuthi kuzilwa kanjani, siyahlola senza everything. Then we have a talk ekhuluma about ucansi. I've noticed ukuthi once umuntu wathi nje hey Alex you anonymous, you must know ukuthi leyo nto isho into eyodwa ukuthi lo muntu is ashamed of lento azoyisho, akafuni ukuthi kwaziwe ukuthi ubani, because there is no platform yokukhuluma. It's so unfortunate. Kuhle ngoba bishop ukhona la. Siyabonga ukuthi abefundisi basinika ithemba, basimotivate, bashumayele. But I so wish ukuthi kwintshumayelo kungafike kuquote kuthiwe namhlanje sizofunda incwadi Romans, kuquote njalo njalo. Iqede intshumayelo. Bese ke umfundisi esezokhuluma now about ama problems esiwafacile, because you go to esontweni thinking ukuthi uzophuma usuvuselelekile unikezwe isibindi, but all you are being told is interpretation ukuthi umpostoli Paul mangabe ekhuluma ngokuthi khangise ebuhlungwini kwaze kwakathathu kuba yivesi kuphela. Uthola ukuthi but Ngiphila today, I've been told ukuthi kusasa ngiya-retrench emsebenzini, but umfundisi okumele anginike ithemba ukhulume ngeBhayibheli nje kuphela. Ngizama bakuthi kwenza i-example yokuthi in our families asithi masihleli nje kumgqibelo ekuseni afika ubhuti nomalume no-cousin sikhulume ngendaba yokuthi eish nginenkinga sengehluleka ukukhokhela igrosa, nginenkinga ikhadi lami alikho la sehlala kumashonisa because I cannot afford, because ayikho platform. But i-radio is the only platform ekwazi ukusivumela ukuthi I can call ngithi ngiseNewcastle ngiyubongani but ngingakwazi ukuthi ngilalelele. So the online radio station oyivulile manje wena Khehlelezi, I think kumele uyibekele nawe ama-targets ukuthi after 3 months kufanele sibe sesenze ama-programs angekho kulezi iteshi ejwayelekile eyikhona, because ikhekhe bakwethu likhulu and singalislice ngendlela ehlukehlukene. Bengilalele la wherever ngihambile, whether I'm in Cape Town, I'm in Pretoria, I'm in Limpopo, I'm in Newcastle, I'm on the South Coast, into yokuqala nje engiyenzayo mangisuke ngifika endaweni ngifuna ukulalela i-community radio station yakhona, because ila ukwazi ukuthola khona abantu bakhona abathini. So now that you have le radio station njobi online, umuntu angayilalela eNew York, angayilalela eLimpopo, angayilalela eMidlands, angayilalela eMlazi. So awukwenze kube isiqinisekiso sokuthi unikeza i-programming engekho kulezi iteshi ejwayelekile, ngoba bakuthi asilivume nje iqiniso. Ngiyumlaleli we-radio mina, yes ngisebenze ku-radio for isikhathi eside, kodwa nami ngiyumlaleli, and uma ngisuke ngilalela I listen to be entertained, I listen to be informed, I listen to be educated. You'll be surprised. There are young kids asebenza kuma-community radio station othi uma ngabe umlalele kuthi kambe kuphela i-hour or ufoswa ukuthi usuyehla ujahe kwi-meeting kube nje ukuthi ngigcine ngingatholanga ukuthi ubani igama lakhe but ungi-entertainile. So this is what I do. I listen to ama-radio stations to ngibe yiside lomlaleli. Now with that we have a radio station efana nale esilauncha namhlanje. Bengikhuluma ne-colleague yami uMeta, uMeta. Oh nango, come here Mratua. Yeah. No, aribuwe Mratua, eh?
Yes, Mratua.
Hey, wena ki msadi waka.
Wena monna waka.
Msadi wa Murena.
Monna wa Murena.
In the Sichaba science, you must know all of this, eh?
Murena bulu.
Yeah. This is my colleague, one of the best people in the trade, yeah. I think ngikhuluma naye la ngizothi yini estopisha agagasi ekutheni sithi Khehlelezi on Saturday morning sifuna ukuba ne-workshop. We will get our best DJs who are going to come here and coach and mentor igenge yakho ekutheni sakaza kanjani. Besihleli lana silalele these guys. I was entertained the way aba-talented ngayo, and omunye uqedela i-sentence lomunye. That was being natural. I don't know where you found these people. Bob. That's good.
That was me.
Yeah. So talented call. I always make this joke. In the States, I think it's in LA, in New Orleans. There's this guy who is a comedian and a rapper as well. Wayidlala indawo kwi-movie ka-Ray Charles. You'll tell me ukuthi ubani igama lakhe sengilikhohlile. uJamie Foxx. uJamie Foxx owns a radio station. But now emzini wakhe une-fader em-alawa ukuthi uma umsakazi esakaza uzovela umuzwe nje eseqhamuka, yabo. Makhona something abeyisho mhlambe uzofike athi no, Harry Belafonte was the first man in the US of color to get 2 Grammys in 1 year. And then Jamie Foxx, listening in his bedroom, will actually correct to say no, you're wrong, it's actually Sidney Poitier. So I hope now uyakuba njalo Khehlelezi etheni uthi uhleli lapha kwakho mabesakaza abasakazi bakuze usuqhamuka nje emoyeni. Don't do that. But it's a commitment we made. I'm going to take it back to our participants to say, it's just a competition.
Exactly.
There is no competition. Every time I listen to a station, even lazy as competitor, I'm always happy. In fact, if I'm really actually something brilliant, ngiyamthumela i-WhatsApp ngaleso sikhathi ngisethi wow that was a killer one yabo.
Because we do listen to other radio
We
stations.
do listen to other radio station and kufanele kube kanjalo. So ikenge yakho itshele ukuthi mayisakaza ithola i-phone call bangasho ukuthi ayi leli Grootman manje licabanga ukuthi lisiphethe. No, it's because we want ukuthi leyo nto ibe kuyindaba. Right? Siyasicommita ukuthi we will do that sinyuse iye phambili. Now osekuseleke manje isitha esikhulu se-radio, I'm going to say this. Isitha esikhulu se-radio esokuthi singababona abantu abasakazayo. So now that this is the online radio, siyajabula ukuthi yabona if uthiwa khona invention eyakenzeka. Yabo this thing kuthiwa social media. If umsakazi ekhuluma la ngendaba yokuthi hey leli jazz lapho ngazothi walembolelwa ugogo wakho selidala. Lesikhathi salalela i-radio sase sicabanga ke manje ukuthi mhlambe ni brown elinjani. Kanti kulula nje ukuvele uye kwi-Facebook page uliposte ukuthi if ufuna ukubona leli jazz elifakwe uMita uzolibona lapho. So ngizama ukusho la ukuthi sekulula ukusakaza manje than it was before. So siyakubongela ngalento eyenzekile and ngiyafisa ngathi ukuthi ungayigcine la unganyuka ukhule uzofika phezulu. Ngoba iqiniso bakwethu ilelo lokuthi leyo nto ifana nokuthi mangabe kuphela inyanga you know ukuthi isale yama tissue paper uzoyithola mhlambe ka Shoprite. But if sufuna inyama na Braai Pack uzoyithola Pick n Pay, right? And then if usufuna mhlambe isipindi nani uzoya Chester. Ne radio station isinjalo manje. You know ukuthi ulalela ekseni ngoba khona umsakazo omthandayo. Mhlamba unandaba nalo ngena after yena bese uyadlula kwenye indawo. So lesi stage sesiqhamukile manje. Yibane ne platform yama shows akuleli izinga leli lokuthi ayi bazomisa ka ku Fly Motion lapho la ekhona, yabo. Ngoba ma ulalela i-radio today ungacabanga ukuthi ulalela i-radio station eyodwa. If it's not about umjolo nomuntu ekhuluma ngeproblem yakhe bese abalaleli bem-advise, you find that across all stations. If ungakhulunywanga mhlambe ngobungoma nokuthwasa nezinyanga ngendlela eyodwa, you will find motivation from the charismatic priests nama pastors azobekhuluma kuyafana everywhere. So we're looking for something entsha ehlukile. So use this platform ukuthi uqhamuke nje nento ehlukile. Iningi into esingakhuluma ngayo. Into nje ehlukile ezokwenza ukuthi isiteshi sihluke. So ngiyabonga kakhulu ke ngiyanibongela but angifuni ukuthi ngoba ngila bese ke ngizokhuluma into engeke ngiyenze ukuhamba kwesikhathi. Yabo nje bangithe ngiyacommit mangisuke ngikhona kulonjwa into enkulu njengale. It should be unfair of me ukuthi ngifike ngilonje ngikhulume. I will listen, I will give you advice makunesidingo, I will give ama compliments mangibona kwenzeka kahle. In fact nami I wouldn't mind ukufika ngizokwenza a show nje eyodwa ngiyenzele la kulesi station ngiko-host nomsakazi wenu nje ophambili ngizokwenza lokho. So siyabonga kakhulu ayeye Dr. K online radio ayeye